Samsung Galaxy A21 as a smartphone launched May 2020. Almost 1 year, this phone is still worth it 2021. Find out in this video. I'm SHADAT from SHADAT'S Dayout. So at first talk about the build quality. Phone built with glass front, plastic frame and plastic back. So overall build quality not bad. So let's move on to display. The phone comes with 6.5-inch IPS touchscreen display with a resolution of 720 x 1600 pixel with 2700 ppi density, and this is 82.8 skin to body ratio. So overall Samsung display is excellent. In 2021, this phone running One UI 2.5 with Android 10. I hope Android 11 coming very soon. When I am getting Android 11, I am definitely make a video about that. Galaxy A21s using chipset Exynos 850 and CPU octa-core 4x2.0 GHz or GPU using Mali G52. It's come with 4GB RAM and this is 64GB ROM variant. Exynos 850 is almost Snapdragon 660, so you can play any types of game in a medium graphics. I am playing Call of Duty in a medium graphics and high frame rate, and my gaming experience is not bad. So you can easily play Call of Duty and PUBG in a medium and low graphics.
Enemy contact! Tango down!
So let's move on to camera section. A21s come with quad camera setup, 48 megapixel primary lens with 2.0 aperture, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 2.2 aperture, 2 megapixel macro, 2.4 aperture and 2 megapixel depth, 2.4 aperture. It's come with 13 megapixel selfie camera with 2.2 aperture. So let's see some photo and video sample. Main camera you can record highest 1080 30 fps video and video quality not bad, average quality. You can take a very good photo in a daylight and the picture quality is very good. You can get too much details in the picture, but when you take a picture in a low light and night, this phone not a good. So overall A21s camera performance is average quality. So now talk about the security. You can unlock your phone by face unlock and fingerprint scanner. Face unlock speed and fingerprint scanner speed pretty well. Galaxy A21s powered by 5000 mAh battery with 15 watt fast charger. So you can easily get 1 day battery backup. After almost 1 year, this phone performs pretty well. All the app opening and closing is pretty well. And I hope very soon you can get Android 11 update with One UI 3.0. Okay, this is all about Samsung Galaxy A21s 2021 full review. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you next time with another video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. Allah Hafiz.